Hello, Lesley Greening here with some tips for new project managers. Just some fundamental things to remember when you're first starting out your role in project management. Okay, so let's get started. 10 tips for the new project manager. Now the first thing, and most important, know the project definition. Know the goals and objectives to be reached, the business need and the problem to be addressed, any potential difficulties and challenges. What are the methods of approach and execution? Who are the resources and stakeholders? Check for any other relevant information. If the project is already underway when you join, check for any available documents, statement of requirements, project charter, project management plan. These are invaluable documents and have all the information you should need. The project management plan will define how the project will be delivered. These are all go-to documents that will give you the greatest help. If you join at the start of a project, then ensure these documents are developed as a result of the requirement workshops and team meetings, etc. Next, understand the deliverables. If there is a work breakdown structure available, or WBS, this will help you understand the scope and the deliverables. High-level deliverables should be found in the project charter. Once again, if joined at the start, then compile one as the basis for your project schedule in the planning phase of your project. Be resourceful. Find out who the go-to people are for certain information that you need. Learn who the experts are for each discipline. Ask for help. Don't be afraid to ask for help. It's not a failure to ask for assistance. It's what a good manager does. Uses the expertise of the team to achieve results. You can't be expected to do and know everything. You need more to know how to communicate, coordinate and pull things together and to assist the team to work cohesively. Ask questions. Asking questions helps you quickly learn different parts of the project and also realise who the best people are to ask the particular questions. The more questions you ask, the more chance there is of understanding what is required and be able to deliver the requirements. Listen. Listen to your team and other stakeholders. Hear what they are saying and once again ask questions to make sure you have understood them correctly and to reiterate the point in question. Plan. Make sure you give enough time for planning the project. It saves time later if you have a robust schedule with all the dependencies required and the resources planned adequately. Plan your management strategies such as stakeholder, risk and information. Many projects rush into things without giving the time up front for planning, and this is a mistake. Also, allow enough time to collect and understand the requirements in order to prevent or lessen the amount of project changes occurring. Templates. Use templates and documents from previous projects where appropriate. If a project charter or project management plan has not been developed for the project, use one from a similar project and just adjust accordingly. No point in wasting time reinventing the wheel. Same goes for other documents like stakeholder register or risk register or a RACI, the responsible, accountable, consultant informed. It's like a RAM. Just adjust where applicable for the current project. Communication. Learn who needs to know what, when and how. The stakeholder register and the RACI will help if these have been developed. If they haven't, organise team meetings to establish the process to obtain the information and manage these through the project. Awareness of the team. Be aware of the interaction of your team members. Are there some who are more team players than others? Ensure information is shared as necessary so that those who need to know do know. Help the team adapt when new members arrive, as this can be disruptive. That's all from me in this video. If you found the information useful, please hit the like and subscribe. and leave any questions or information that you need to request, and I'll be happy to answer them. Until the next time, thank you.